Among the gardener's very best friends are ground covers. They solve multiple challenges that other perennials cannot. For instance, many plants don't thrive under trees due to dense shade and root competition. Ground covers to the rescue. Among the best choices are ajuga, which forms a dense carpet-like mat, lamium with its dainty purple, pink, or white flowers, and creeping phlox, which blankets the ground in vibrant color in spring or early summer. All are happy in shade and have shallow roots that don't compete with trees. They spread quickly to form dense mats and add color to otherwise drab areas. Sloping terrain presents its own challenges. Water tends to run off, leaving plants thirsty and soil prone to erosion. Drought-tolerant ground covers can flourish on slopes, and their presence helps control erosion. Some good choices are cheery Potentia newmaniana or colorful sedum. Perhaps you're looking for low-maintenance alternatives to high-maintenance lawns. Many ground covers, such as creeping thyme or creeping jenny, will happily accept foot traffic. Our video on low-maintenance lawn alternatives, which you'll find at the link below, offers other suggestions. If you're looking for a ground cover that stays green year-round, have a look at Vinca, otherwise known as periwinkle or Veronica. These are just a few of the easy care problem-solving ground covers we offer. For even more choices, click the ground covers link on the Gardening Solutions page of our website. And for more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.